Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I thought to bring a video on how can you see the monthly income of your YouTube channel. So I don't earn money from YouTube because I don't have still much subscribers or views and other all things that needed to earn money on YouTube. But if you have much subscribers like 1000 subscribers, 4000 watch hours, this is the method how you can see your monthly income. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to Google Chrome and type for social blade. Okay, and go to the site, and you can see the search bar right over here. So I'm going to type my name, work with Adi, and I'm going to search. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel, and as you can see, this is my monthly earning and this is my yearly earning. So I earn $11 for the year right now. Wow, so nice. Okay, so this is not much big thing, but I'm going to type for a big YouTube channel such as Mr. Beast. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, Mr. Beast earns averagely $78,000 to $1.3 million monthly, and also he earns $946K to $15.1 million per yearly. So as you can see, oh my goodness. So you can see subscribers for the last 30 days 2.1 million. But remember that this is not the actual price of the money you get. This is just an average number, but somewhat number price from this. So as you can see, the subscriber rank, he is the 15th best subscriber in America. Sorry, he's the 8th from America, and he's the 190th social blade rank. Oh my goodness. And also you can see how much uploads and how much subscribers. Oh, he has got 70 million subscribers. Wow. And you can see the video views, but this is not the actual view, because in YouTube it may show something different for you. Okay, so yeah, you can see much detailed things for your YouTube channel. This is not my YouTube channel. So when you scroll down, you can see the subscriber amount for tomorrow as a guess, as a like average. So that's it, and I'm going to search another YouTube channel known as ZHC. ZHC is a very popular YouTube channel for that, like customizing AirPods, iPhones, Apple Watches, and so much something else. So as you can see, he is the 71st highest from America. So as you can see, he earns 11.5K to 184K dollars monthly, and also he earns 138.6K dollars to up to 2.2 million dollars. So as you can see, how much strange is that. Wow. And you can see he has uploaded 289 videos. He has 22.9 million subscribers, and also like so much views, and his country is US. Wow. Okay, and when you go down, oh, I see, as you can see, in October 16th they're guessing that he will get 23 million subscribers. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you learned something new, subscribe my YouTube channel, and like, and also share with your friends. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.